Alright, right now we're heading to Livingstone, Zambia. Oh, are we doing that whole thing now, or are we
No,
doing...
just say we're in Zambia now, and we'll do it again. We're in Zambia now.
You are so cute.
Wow. Okay, so we are 6 months through our year-long travel. For those of you who don't know, we're 321 travelers.
So sorry.
Yep.
She just rubbed my foot.
That's cute.
Okay.
Okay.
Say that. There's a
Kitty
kitty. And she
cat.
keeps rubbing against her feet. So cute.
Okay.
There's the other one.
Other kitty.
Look,
Wow, you look like a
just
tiger.
straight. They're kissing, guys. Right now we're in Livingstone, Zambia. We just took a 1.5 hour flight from Johannesburg, South Africa, and we're going to be showing you guys some pretty cool stuff that we're doing here, and it's a great way to kick off our second half of our trip. So today we're going to be exploring Victoria Falls,
Which is the largest waterfall in the world.
and to start the day off, we're going to go to the edge of it at Devil's Pool. So we took a boat to an island right above the falls.
We're about to go swim into the edge.
Victoria Falls!
We're at the edge of Victoria Falls. We're having lots of fun.
That was so amazing. So that was like an incredible experience.
Really awesome.
Looking over the falls with like a rainbow and stuff, it was absolutely incredible. If you ever get the chance, definitely come out and go to Devil's Pool.
So now we're going to go to the Zimbabwe side to get a different vantage point.
So we just crossed the border into Zimbabwe.
And now we're going to go see Victoria Falls from this side. So we're here at Victoria Falls and the view is absolutely stunning.
It's so gorgeous. And in the Lottie language, Victoria Falls literally translates to the smoke that thunders.
And it really is smoke that thunders.
Us this morning to get to Devil's Pool, but now we're on the other side.
We're there, at Devil's Pool.
It's just slightly misty.
Who's the king of the jungle? Hoo hoo. So the Zimbabwe side of this wonder of the world was absolutely spectacular.
And then now we're gonna head back to Zambia.
So we're now on the Zambian side of the falls.
And so we're gonna compare this view to the Zimbabwean side.
This is dry side, and this is wet side.
Very wet. Josh, look at the waterfall.
Oh, that waterfall?
Yeah, isn't it gorgeous?
No way. I thought you meant that waterfall.
No,
That was the good one.
This was my favorite.
Whoa, that's
Right,
actually
guys,
really cool.
The plan is to walk from there to there. And
No, we're not doing that. It's not safe.
Whatever.
You're psycho. The Zambian side of the falls.
It's also absolutely stunning. Getting close to the bottom of the falls.
Okay, so we just hiked 15 minutes and now we're at Boiling Pot.
Which is at the base of the falls. However, you cannot see the falls. You can see a bridge where people are bungee jumping, and there's like a little river, but
So,
it's not that impressive.
Yeah. Even though the walk down was fine, we gotta go back up now. Where's the stairs? There's the stairs. I missed it.
Perfect end to a perfect day.
Boom. Oh wait, we should do that again.
Perfect end to a perfect day.
Boom.
Oh, you scared the kitty. There's two of them, and they're so cute.
Well, we just went swimming, so that's why our hair is wet.
Yep. Oh, there's a kitty.
Kitty. Hi.
There's a kitty.
Oh. Oh.
Kitty bit
It's a foot biter. Kitty. Kitty bites our feet.
Yeah, I'm not very excited. Kitty, don't come back to bite her feet. You can come back and cuddle.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cute rolls. Okay. So, quick synopsis. We got to do this really quickly, okay?
Today,
Kitty's still
we went
rolling.
to Devil's Pool, Zimbabwe side of Victoria Falls, and then the Zambia side of Victoria Falls.
And those are the three things we're going to discuss right now.
So by far the best one of those was Devil's Pool.
If you're here, that's the one thing you should do. If you only do one thing, do Devil's Pool.
It was breathtaking, amazing. Just the view was spectacular. I would go back so many times.
Where's the kitty? We just part.
So the pros of the Zimbabwe side are that the water is more powerful and there's more of it. So you have like the bigger waterfalls. And it's very simple. There's just one little loop. You do it and you come back out. And you can see Devil's Pool across the way.
The cons of Zimbabwe side is that it's more expensive than the Zambian side. And it's more wet. It's more misty. And you'll get soaked.
And so, cat.
Cat. Part for cat.
So the pros of the Zambian side are that it is cheaper and you can see different levels of the falls. So you can go to the top of the falls, you can go to like at the falls to look at it, and you can go to the very bottom of the falls.
The cons of the Zambian side are that it is kind of confusing since there's all these different levels. You can get lost and there's no maps or anything. And there are a lot of people there trying to heckle you to guide you or buy their stuff, and you don't really need that.
So overall, if you can do both, do both. However, if you can only pick one, we hope this information can help you decide which one is better for you.
And the next video you'll see us in will be in a different country.
We'll be in Botswana at Chobe National Park. See you then!
You're taking a video of me?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Look at me. 1, 2, 3.